Identify the phases of the reacting species. The chemical reaction in this experiment occurs between solid calcium carbonate, CaCO3, in the eggshells and aqueous hydronium ions, H to the power plus, supplied by the hydrochloric acid, HCl. Recognize the kinetic constraint of a heterogeneous reaction. Because this is a heterogeneous reaction involving a solid and an aqueous solution, the reaction can only occur at the boundary interface, where the solid surface meets the liquid. The rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the frequency of successful collisions between the H to the power plus ions and the solid CaCO3 particles. Analyze the impact of powdering the solid reactant. Grinding the eggshells into a fine powder physically breaks the larger solid pieces into a massive number of tiny particles. This physical modification dramatically increases the total surface area of the solid reactant exposed to the solution while keeping the overall mass constant. Connect surface area to collision frequency and rate. With a significantly greater surface area, a far higher number of CaCO3 molecules are in direct contact with the H to the power plus ions at any given instant. This increases the frequency of successful molecular collisions per unit of time, which increases the overall rate of the reaction the most, confirming option D as the correct choice. The correct answer is option D, using eggshells that are more finely powdered than those used in the original experiment.